Hey, Lenny and Brian. My name's Corey. Debbie told me to send over the screencast over to you. Real quick, I'm just going to shoot over 3 tips on how you can actually start out ranking your competition, really driving more quality traffic to your website as well. The 3 things I'm going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. Just browsing over your website for just a moment. So really bringing your word count up to about 1,500, maybe 2,000 words, being really authoric in what you do and how you do it, plus having that much more content, you're able to layer in those keywords, how you're actually being found. Even all these images, they're all saved as the same thing. This is all content back here. You got the same wording back there. You can actually be a little bit more buyer's intent keywords back there, and you can actually do different ones inside those images. It's just going to help with your rankings even more. Now, if I go to Google here and type in roofing companies Orlando, this is what you're going to see. You got these ads here at the top. These old school ads, a lot of people have been going away with these because they've been very spammy. So Google came up with these Google guarantees to help weave out some of those spammy phone calls. Just another form of paid advertisement, really. They do get pretty pricey at the end of the day. I don't know if you're running ads. I'll see here in just a sec if you are. But underneath they also came out with ad blockers too, so a lot of ads aren't even going through nowadays. So underneath the ad section, we have this little map pack here. Now, to get the rankings in this section here is going to be dealing with a lot of citations. What a citation is just an online business directory with your business name, address, phone number listed on it. So really what we'd want to do is go get those same citations that your top competitors have. We obviously don't want to stop there. We want to go out there and get a lot more as well, so that way we're always outranking the competition. Underneath this map section, this is the first page of Google, and really to get here on this first page comes down with having that authoric content on your website, being found for those keywords, how people are actually searching for you, and also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is, it's a link from a website linking back to your website that's just really pushing power back to it. Not all backlinks are actually created equal. I'll give you an example here for a second. If I got take your URL and stick it inside of Arefs. Arefs is just a tool lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. So it looks like you got this thing going back in 2013 or so, and you kind of had your journey from there. You got 22 referring domains, 176 backlinks, which historically you've had about 430. They come and go. You got 266 keywords you're being found for. And this PPC stands for pay-per-click, so it doesn't look like you're running any ads. You got 75 total organic clicks to your website. We can come into the keywords and see where those 75 clicks are actually coming from. So you got Central Florida Roofing, there's 100 clicks. First position, 33 clicks that you're getting from there. Central Florida Roofing, you're not getting any clicks off that. Tar and Gravel Roofing, Florida Roofing. You got 20 clicks off the Central Florida roofers right there. I don't know if you're getting work off that or what. Roof Repair Winter Haven FL, there's 30 clicks. You're 18th position, so you're missing all the traffic. That's a good keyword there. Graver Orlando, Roofing Company in Orlando, there's 50 clicks for that one keyword. 26th position, you're missing all the traffic. Let me show you one of your competitors here. This is Roofing Advantage, kind of showing you what they got going on inside of Arefs. I'm going to do a quick overview. So they got 75 referring domains, which is pushing back just over 2,000 backlinks. They got 344 keywords they're being found for, which is pushing back over 1,000 clicks to their site every month. Coming in and really seeing where these keywords or how they're being found is coming off these keywords here. So Roofing Orlando, there's 100 clicks every month. They're first position, so yeah, they're getting a lot of traffic. Arefs is kind of off and off sometimes. At Advantage Roofing, there's 600 clicks. They're being found for their name quite a bit. Roofing Orlando FL, there's 300 clicks for that one keyword there. Their first position, they're getting 111 clicks from that one keyword. Roofing Company Orlando FL, another 200 clicks. They're still getting some traffic. Roofing Contractors Orlando FL, another 150 clicks. 47 clicks, first position coming from that that keyword there. So really coming in and finding a lot more keywords that's just really going to help you drive more quality traffic. Plus having enough power to really get you there to the first pages will make a huge difference in that quality work coming in for yourself. Anyway, if you see any value in anything that I went over and would love a free custom game plan to help you get there, feel free to reach back out to me, or at least apply these 3 free tips for yourself. If you want to give me a review on how I did on this video, that'd be cool too. Thanks. Bye.